Here we're talking about some triangles that we are looking for. It looks like we're given a line here, AB, and we're told that that's 10 inches, and we are trying to find AD, which is this one right here. So to do that, first of all, what we're given is two triangles that are our special triangles. So our two special triangles, we have 30, 60, 90. We'll call, this is our 30, 60, 90 here, where we're told that this is 60 degrees. This is 90. That means that this is 30 degrees. So that's our first special triangle. Our second special triangle is a 45, 45, 90. Because these are the same angle here, we know that each of these has to be 45 and 45. And so really the things that we should know about special triangles is the relationship between the sides. So a couple different ways we can look at this. I know that I'm going to use X as kind of like the variable to help us out here. But the hypotenuse for a 30, 60, 90 triangle is 2 times as long as the shortest side. And that middle side is the shortest side times root 3. This is just one of those formulas that we got to get used to understanding because we use a lot with like the unit circle and stuff like that. For the 45, 45, 90, again, I'm going to use X here. Hope that doesn't mess us up later. But basically, these two sides are going to be the same. And then the longest side, or the hypotenuse, is going to be whatever that is times root 2. So the way that I think about this, or if you are not sure how to remember this, is like the one that has root 3 here has 3 different angles. So root 3, whereas the one that has 2 different angles, only 45 and 90, is the one that has the root 2 in there. So again, there's different ways to try and remember it, little tricks and things like that, but this is something that we should know. Okay, how does this help us? So we're actually told that this side is 10, meaning that if this is twice the size of the short side, then I know that the short side is 5. So remember that we called this X originally. So then my side over here that's connected is just going to be, I'm going to replace X with 5. So I know, I'll go ahead and make this a different color here, that this side right here is 5 root 3. So 5 root 3. So the reason that that's helpful is now in my 45, 45, 90, that's this side right here. So I just set this equal to 5 root 3. I just said that it's equal to 5 root 3. And now I just need to solve for X, which tells me AD on our final triangle. To solve here, I got to just divide both sides. Let me just rewrite this. X root 2 equals 5 root 3. I just divide both sides by the square root of 2. And remember, I can't have a square root in the denominator. So I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom by the square root of 2. I get 5 root 6 over 2. And that is what X is equal to, which means that is what AD is equal to, 5 root 6 over 2. Now, there's a lot of different ways we can use special triangles, but understanding the relationship and setting those equal to what we know is going to be the way that we solve for side lengths in questions like this.